Nvidia is making millionaires once again. Nvidia earnings are coming up, and investors are going all in. Analysts say Nvidia's growth will be massive. The company is cementing its legacy. Wall Street is buying behind our backs. What's going on? Do the billionaires know something we don't? And most importantly, what even am I talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today brought us some very important updates. An expert analyst just released his price projections for Nvidia, and it revealed something very interesting. The analyst said Nvidia is on track for massive growth, with earnings projected to jump 52% in 2025 and another 25% in 2026. He even cited that these projections could go even higher because of supply constraints. But what's even more exciting, he says, is how Nvidia is evolving. Analysts predict it's becoming something like a subscription model. Think about what that means. Instead of relying on one-time sales, Nvidia will have a steady, predictable revenue stream, kind of like how we all pay for Netflix. This move sets Nvidia up for long-term dominance, making their business more stable and, most importantly, more profitable. And here's the big part. If you invest in Nvidia now, apparently analysts project that you could be sitting on massive gains in the future. This price projection is insanely bullish, and it's not just hype. This is based on actual growth and real demand. Nvidia is locking in its place as the leader of the AI revolution, and this is just the beginning. Everything is lining up perfectly, and the future looks incredible. With this huge news, all the big investors are taking notice, and here's the proof. Something insane just happened. Retail investors poured a massive $900 million into Nvidia stock in just the last week of January. That's nearly $1 billion flooding into Nvidia in just a few days. But here's what's even crazier. Smart money is quietly buying up Nvidia too. Big institutional investors, hedge funds, and deep-pocketed players are loading up on shares while the average trader hesitates. They're buying on the down low, taking advantage of any dips because they know exactly where this is going. They're doing this behind our backs. Can you believe that? This is why we always follow smart money. These investors have the best research, the best strategies, and the best information. They aren't panic selling. They aren't hesitating. They're accumulating Nvidia while small investors second-guess themselves. And history tells us what happens next. The stocks they load up on tend to explode in value. Nvidia isn't just another stock. It's the backbone of the AI revolution, and smart money knows it. The question is, do you? A surge like this shows the growing belief that Nvidia isn't just another semiconductor company. It's becoming an AI infrastructure giant. And guess what? This all aligns with what analysts are saying. Analysts agree that Nvidia is in a prime position, and we shouldn't miss this opportunity. One expert predicts a huge fourth-quarter earnings report, driven by AI demand and record-breaking chip sales. As Nvidia moves toward a subscription-based model, its revenue could become more stable, making it even more attractive for long-term investors. No matter what happens in the short term, Nvidia remains the most important company in AI. The AI revolution is just getting started, and Nvidia is at the center of it all. From AI training and cloud computing to robotics and advanced chips, the biggest companies in the world rely on Nvidia's technology. The real question isn't whether AI demand will grow, it's whether Nvidia will keep leading the way. As the company prepares to release its latest results, this is the key story investors are watching. But that's not all. You have to hear what I'm about to say next. Nvidia has been consolidating for months, and history shows that the longer the base, the stronger the breakout. One analyst predicts Nvidia could hit $200 this year, driven by relentless AI demand and record-breaking chip sales. Everything points to the fact that this is an opportunity we probably shouldn't miss. One expert even expects a blockbuster Q4 earnings report, with Nvidia's shift toward a subscription-based model bringing more predictable long-term revenue. If this happens, Nvidia won't just be a semiconductor giant anymore. It will be the backbone of AI infrastructure worldwide. And the technicals? They confirm everything I've been saying. The stock's consolidation mirrors past trends, where long periods of sideways movement led to explosive rallies. This matches the bigger shift in Nvidia's business strategy, where AI demand isn't just a short-term trend. It's creating a new market cycle. No matter what happens in the near term, Nvidia remains the most important company in AI. The real question isn't whether AI computing demand will grow, it's whether Nvidia will continue dominating it. And if you think that's wild, just wait until you hear this. While everyone is waiting for the earnings to be released, Nvidia continues to secure major wins. Google Cloud just became the first to run Nvidia's GB200 and B200 systems, further cementing its dominance in AI and cloud computing. Even with a recent 4% dip, Nvidia remains the leader in semiconductors, powering the most advanced AI systems in the world. Some analysts suggest looking at other stocks, but they're missing the bigger picture. Nvidia's move toward recurring revenue could make it one of the most stable AI investments we've ever seen. Being the market leader changes everything. We've seen this before with Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, companies that reshaped industries and delivered life-changing returns. Nvidia is on the same path, and it's happening right now. Every major tech company depends on its GPUs to drive the next wave of AI innovation, and demand keeps growing. This isn't just another rally. This is the beginning of something even bigger. Those who recognize it early could see massive rewards. The AI revolution is just getting started, and Nvidia is at its center stage. This is history in the making, and it looks like it's an incredible time to be alive. So now, you may ask, what happens next? Well, here's what this analyst thinks. One trader calls Nvidia the most important stock in the world, and they might be right. Nvidia isn't just leading AI, it's becoming the foundation of it. What we're seeing right now isn't just a surge in stock price, it's the beginning of something far bigger. This could be the moment we look back on and realize Nvidia was cementing itself as the backbone of the most important technological revolution of our time. And we are lucky to be alive to witness it. Nvidia isn't just making faster chips, it's shaping the future. AI is already transforming industries, and Nvidia is the company making it all possible. Self-driving cars, advanced robotics, medical breakthroughs, and even the way we interact with technology are all powered by its innovations. The biggest companies in the world, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta, aren't just using Nvidia's products. They're building their futures around them. This isn't just another tech boom. This is a big shift in the way the world operates, and Nvidia is at the center of it. It's not just providing hardware, it's creating the infrastructure that will power the next generation of AI. Every major AI breakthrough, every life-changing advancement, all of it traces back to Nvidia's technology. When we talk about investing, we're not just talking about potential stock gains. We're talking about being part of a company that is changing the world in real time. Nvidia isn't just leading the AI race, it's cementing its dominance. With a shift towards steady recurring revenue and billion-dollar deals with Microsoft and Google, this isn't just growth. This is a transformation. We are watching the birth of something massive. AI is the future, and Nvidia is the backbone. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Nvidia update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.